Every coach thinking about AI right now believes the same thing, that it's the missing piece, the thing that finally fixes the slow growth, the burnout, the ceiling. It's not. AI doesn't fix anything on its own. It just does whatever you point it at. Point it at the wrong thing and you don't get a better business. You get the same broken business, just moving quicker. Most coaches don't have an AI problem. They have a direction problem. They are automating before they have even decided where the business is actually trying to go. Here is why just use AI is a bad advice. Think of it like a road trip. Before your GPS can tell you anything useful, it needs one thing first. Your destination. Not your speed, not your car, your destination. Without that, GPS can't even tell you if you are going the right way, right? Your business works the same way. Direction just means where are you actually trying to get to? Not someday, but in the next 90 days. Once you know that, friction is easy to spot. It's just a traffic jam on the way there. Slow replies, manual busy work, whatever is slowing the trip down, right? Leverage. Leverage is picking the one traffic jam that is actually costing you more time and money and not clearing every road at once. And AI is just the tow truck. You don't call a tow truck before you know which car is stuck. Direction, then friction, then leverage, then AI. In that order, not backward. That is the exact 4-question audit I run on every coaching business before I touch any AI tool. It sounds simple enough that anyone could do it, and that's exactly why almost nobody does. Most people skip straight to question number 4. This is what I call the compass. The only framework I use every time. Direction, where the business is actually trying to go in the next 90 days. Specifically, number 2, friction. Given that direction, where is something working against it? Slow replies, unclear ownership, manual busy work. 3, leverage. Of everything creating friction, which one, if removed, moves the needle most? Not everything deserves fixing, right? One thing usually does. Number 4, AI. Only now do we ask if AI is even the right tool or not. Sometimes it is, sometimes the fix is just a 5-minute process change and AI never enters the conversation, right? Most people run this backwards. They start with AI and work their way back to a reason. Here is the compass run on a coaching business, start to finish. Picture this. Picture a coach growing her program from 20 clients to 100, right? Sounds like a pure win. Until you realize growth is about to break the one thing keeping clients around. Think of a teacher going from a small classroom of 20 kids to a lecture hall of 100. At 20, she can walk around, notice who is confused, check in one-on-ones. At 100, she can't. But the kids still need to feel seen or they just check out, right? Now run that through the compass one step at a time. Direction. Grow to 100 without losing the ones already there, right? Friction. Number 2, friction. Personal check-in worked at 20, but at 100, she can't check in with everyone, right? But people stay because they feel noticed. Number 3, leverage. More content or more ad won't fix this. The real fix is finding a way to make 100 people still feel noticed. The way 20 people did, right? Number 4, AI. Only now does it show up. Not a chatbot bolted onto the funnel, but a simple way to flag which clients have gone quiet before they quietly disappear. So her limited time goes to the 5 people who actually need her, not spread thin across all 100, right? Notice the order. AI showed up last only because the first 3 steps pointed straight at it, right? It's tempting to think it comes down to who has the best AI tool, but everyone has access to the same tools. The difference is knowing exactly where to point them. Coaches who learn to design their own system will outperform coaches who just adopt more tools. Tools expire, ChatGPT changes, Claude changes, the platform changes every year, every month. But direction, friction and leverage, that never changes. That's why it keeps working instead of going out of date.